Dear friends, myself Santosh Kumar Rath. I joined at CSIR Indian Institute of Integrative Medicine Jammu on 10th April 2013 as a senior research fellow ICMR SRF under the supervision of Dr. P.L. Sangwan. In the same year, on August 2013, I got registered as a PhD student at ACSIR with registration number 10CC 13A 37006. Since 2013, I have been working in Bioorganic Chemistry Division as a PhD student. I have completed my DAC 3 presentation on 17th January 2018. As I have completed my all objectives regarding the submission of my thesis, I started applying for research associate and postdoctoral position at various institutions. I got selected as CSIR RA project at Thapar Institute of Engineering Technology, Patiala in June 2018. I took academic break from 27 June 2018 to 26 June 2020 with consent of my supervisor to pursue my PhD. I joined at Thapar Institute of Engineering Technology on 2nd July 2018 and continued there up to April 2020. Within that time, I many times requested my supervisor to conduct my DAC for presentation. Even also, I have sent the mail with attachment of DAC for presentation, but every time my supervisor denied me to conduct that DAC for presentation and asked me that to submit all the research papers that already been I have performed. So I have submitted all the research papers along with review papers in January, February and March 2019. However, after submission of all the research papers and review papers, I requested again to conduct my DAC for presentation. However, he denied every time. Then when I went to Jammu in January 2020 to rejoin at CSIR IIIM and conduct my DAC for presentation and thesis submission, but sir already denied because he was busy in other official work. So, and he suggested me to rejoin on April 2020. However, it was not possible on that time due to spread of corona pandemic situation in all over India. So, I also requested my sir to conduct the DAC for presentation online mode and suggest me how I can proceed and submit all the required formalities for my PhD process. I received a mail from ACSIR with a memorandum on March 2020 in which those candidates who registered in ACSIR on August 2013 batch, they are allowed to get more time to submit their thesis by 31st December 2020. So this grace period which was applicable for August 2013 batch, in there my name also mentioned. I also forwarded the same mail to my supervisor and intimated same at that time. And he assured me to conduct my DAC for presentation on August to September when the situation will be normalized. However, every time he denied me to come and join at IIIM Jammu. So on December, I again one requested. So that time I got another mail from ACSIR in which the grace period of the students, those who have registered in August 2013, they are getting more time to submit their thesis by 7th August 2021, and in there my name also mentioned. So I am eligible for the thesis submission within that period. However, it was denied by my supervisor. Even also so many requests to coordinator of IIIM, ACSIR, and even ACSIR director, they also not responding to my mail and my requests. Even also I intimated to director of IIIM and director of ACSIR, but till now I have not received any response from directorial office. So it is my sincere request to kindly allow me for my doctoral presentation and thesis submission, so that I can save my whole 7 to 8 years of research experience and get my PhD degree. I am sincerely requesting my director of IIIM kindly consider this case and also allow me to rejoin and submit very soon. My supervisor is harassing me mentally many times, which was already created a pressure, depression on me, and I am now a pre-epileptic symptom is going on, and with suffering of this epilepsy, I am taking the medicines on daily basis. So kindly accept my request and look after my the application and allow me to submit my thesis within the time period. I am requesting all of my well-wishers can stand with me and support me to submit my thesis, so that I can get my PhD and my whole life which I have spent towards my research work, that can be saved. Thank you so much.